You go this Indian food. First time. You taste. What taste?
My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right.
Smiley face. Cute.
But it's not cause everybody you meet is dangerous. Fact cause they'll break your heart.
Yeah,
Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got.
Hey guys, for today's video is another Korea vlog. So, nandito kami ngayon sa isang multicultural event dito sa Sawon.
Oh, you Philippines soon, yeah, soon.
There's the Philippines. Next
name?
is Philippines. Filipiniana.
Name?
Filipiniana. The clothes?
No,
Oh, Filipiniana.
I didn't see now. Oh, Philippines. Philippines, yeah. Philippines.
Filipiniana clothes is very maganda. You see, 50,000 Philippine people na nakagrado dito sa Korea, guys. 50,000. So this is Indian food, guys. Samosa inside potato. Chaat means all things. All things.
And there is pani puri inside water, salty and
Favorite?
You go this Indian food.
First time now.
First time. You taste. What taste?
몰라요.
어때?
Bread?
몰라.
Something sandwich, yeah?
Sandwich. You need to, when you eat this, you need to put here the sauce inside this one.
Ah, not drinking?
Not drinking, yeah. 이거 이렇게. Oh, let's try. Try.
Cheers. Sure, you
First time ko, guys. Try natin.
What taste, yeah?
Kumakain kami, guys, na Indo food. First time ko kumain nito. And sa Facebook ko lang and sa TikTok ko lang napapanood. Pero ngayon, na-try ko na, guys. And masarap pala talaga yung Indian food. Guys, naubos ko na yung pansit. Hindi ko pala na-videohan.
Very hungry na?
Nagano ko, bumili ako ng pansit.
Are your birthday? Pansit? Something Philippine?
May pa-free cake yan.
This is pre-food.
Free cake.
이거 Philippine food 8,000원이야?
Wow! Cake. Mag-unboxing kami ng monitor. So, kakabili lang namin yan. So, let's unboxing. So, ayun na guys, yung monitor and yung mga accessories niya. So, ito yung ano niya, guys. So, ayan guys, ikinabit na yung ano, pinakapaan ng monitor. And yeah. Sa baba namin siya guys, inassemble kasi nga mabigat. So, ayan guys, nailipat na namin dito sa aming table. Yeah. Guys, gagawa ko ng kimbap. And naka-ready na siya guys. Yeah. And meron ako ditong carrots and cucumber. Yung crab meat, egg, and then ham stick. And yung different na radish guys. Different na radish. And syempre yung gagamitin kong pang-wrap yung seaweeds. And rice. Meron siyang salt and sesame oil. And so yeah, let's go! That is first. And yung ano pala guys, yung carrots ko is sinutake ko siya ng konti para lumambot konti guys, hindi sobrang matigas. And nilagyan ko ng konting salt. Wala nga ako guys yung wood, diba? Yung pang rolling talaga sa kimbap. Wala kasi akong roll mo sa kimbap. So yan. So ayan. Yun na siya guys. Ganda diba? Okay, satiin natin siya guys. Hindi kayo naman ganito guys. Dahan-dahan lang. Diba? Ang ganda. Smiley face. Kiyawa. So, ayan na guys yung nagawa ko guys. So, bali guys, 5 piraso yun na malalaki. And yung iba, in-slice ko na. And parang nakasunod to guys, diba? Kaya, let's try. Wow. Guys, bumili yung asawa ko ng napakalaking watermelon or subak. So, hiwain natin siya guys. So, favorite ng asawa ko guys, watermelon. So, ayun siya guys. Nahati-hati ko na. And, yeah, sobrang tamis niya guys. Kaso, sobrang mahal din ito dito guys sa Korea. Yeah, pero matamis siya. Masarap. Ang tamis. Guys, ang cute nito oh. Nail parts. Ito din guys, ang ganda guys oh. Diba ang ganda nito guys oh. Kuha ko isa. Oh, ito maganda din to oh. Maganda din to guys. So bilhin ko to guys. Nail glove. 2001 guys. Maganda kaya to. Bilhin ko na rin to. Kuha ko nito ng isa guys. Ang cute kasi. 2001 lang. Ibang color din siya oh. White, green, blue. Bili din ako ng hair water essence guys. Try ko to. when you shower.
샤워? 파이나?
1,000 won only. Buy na. What color you want? That one? Try natin ito isa. Nandito kami guys sa ice cream shop na walang cashier. So yeah, let's go. Let's buy. This one.
와플?
I don't like waffles.
아니
Igo?
해
Igo? Igo na lang. This one na lang. Ang daming iba't ibang ice cream guys, oh. Popsicle. Can I try this, Yo? Popsicle. Wow. Kudu and orangey. Try lang natin, guys. Ang daming iba't ibang ice cream, guys. Oh, ito masarap to eh. Ito masarap to eh. Masarap. This one. So, bumili kami guys ng maraming ice cream kasi sobrang init na dito guys sa Korea. Tignan mo naman, sobrang init sa labas. So, may pa-plain plastic na. Daming ice cream ah. Daming ice cream.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love.
Yeah, let's go ice cream. Daming ice cream.
A moment
So, walang
told me
pantay
don't
dito guys.
talk